What's up you guys? My name is Swish. I'm a Zambian creative and I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade hand sanitizer. So as you guys probably know, we're going through a rough epidemic of the coronavirus, which is now in Zambia. So basically, I'm sure you're running through the shops like Pick and Pay, ShopRite, and you're finding there's no hand sanitizer. Because we've advised saying that if you have a cough or a flu, if you suspect yourself of having coronavirus, the best method is to always wash your hands frequently with liquid soap or with hand sanitizer. So my video today talks about how to make homemade hand sanitizer, which you can store in a small bottle like this. So basically, there are two main methods to make homemade hand sanitizer. The first method is as simple as this. The ingredients that you need 1, methylated spirit, and 2, you need aloe vera, which you can make aloe vera gel from. So what you do, you also need cups like this. I'm sure most of you who do baking of scones and muffins, you have these different cups with sizes. So basically, out of all these cup sizes, you need what is called a 1/4 cup, which is a quarter cup. So how you go about making homemade hand sanitizer is this. You get your methylated spirit and you pour 1/4 into the cup and you pour it into the dish. You get your aloe vera and you cut it, you make aloe vera gel, and you also pour some of the contents into the dish. If you want to give your hand sanitizer some flavor, you can either use lavender oil or tea oil. If you don't have lavender oil or tea oil, you can use lemon juice. So you use approximately 9 or 10 drops of tea oil or lavender oil or lemon juice. So once you have these three contents in the bowl, you can use either a cooking stick or just any other proper baking spoon, and you actually stir for a good 2 minutes so that your mix can be concrete, and then you store it in a small bottle like this, and then you have your homemade hand sanitizer. So that's method number 1. For those of you who might not have aloe vera at home, don't worry, there's another method that you can use to make homemade hand sanitizer. So the other method is this, method number 2. You get methylated spirit. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be as big as a container, 750 mils. It can even be 500 mils or 250 mils the least. So you get your bottle of methylated spirit and you pour in a quarter cup like this, and then you also get glycerin. I'm sure most of you used to use glycerin back in the day on our kids, especially the one which had the body of a woman on a bottle. So yeah, you get your glycerin and you pour the contents here and you pour in your bowl and you mix for a good 2 minutes. And then when you mix for a good 2 minutes, you can store it in a small storage like this, and then you try it out. You put it on your hands, and of course you know how to use hand sanitizer. You rub your hands together, and then you can even, and then you're smelling fresh. So it's as simple as that, you guys. So allow me to repeat the steps very slowly. So ingredient number 1, methylated spirit. Ingredient number 2, aloe vera. Ingredient number 3, either tea oil, lavender oil, or lemon juice. Lemon juice can simply be made by getting lemons from your tree and you squash them together. If you have a blender machine, even better. So method number 2, like I said, if you don't have aloe vera at your disposal, you get your methylated spirit and you buy glycerin. You mix the contents in a quarter cup, pour in the bowl, stir for a good 2 minutes, and voila, you're done. Store in a very small bottle or even something slightly bigger than this, and then you can even give it a bit of a shake, and then you apply on your hands, rub your hands together, and you're safe and sound. So hope you've got the message, but if not, if you want more tips, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment in the comment section, and I can advise you more. Otherwise, stay safe, stay healthy, and avoid coronavirus. Otherwise, this has been Swish, Zambian Creative, and I'll see you next time on my YouTube channel. Ciao.